Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Subaru Impreza front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Begin by locating and carefully removing the plastic clips that secure the bumper to the fender liners on both sides. This initial step is crucial for accessing further fasteners. Next, move to the underside of the vehicle. You'll find several bolts and clips holding the bumper cover in place. Remove these carefully. Then, focus on the top section, detaching the fasteners that secure the grille. If your Impreza has fog lights, gently disconnect their wiring harnesses by pressing the release tabs. Take your time to ensure all connections are properly disengaged. Now, direct your attention to the areas around the headlights. There are usually a few more clips and screws here that need to be unfastened. Once these are out, you can gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender edges on both sides. Double-check that all electrical connections, especially for turn signals or side markers, are completely disconnected to avoid damage. Finally, with all fasteners and connections disengaged, you can carefully pull the entire front bumper straight off the vehicle. It's a good idea to have a soft blanket or mat ready on the ground to place the bumper on, preventing any scratches or damage. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring every clip and bolt is securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.